In this video, we are going to learn about data binding in Angular. Data binding is a powerful feature of Angular. Angular data binding is used for communication. It is used to communication between your TypeScript code and the view. Here is the TypeScript is your business logic and view is that HTML layout. Data binding is necessary because when we write the code in a TypeScript, it is compiled to JavaScript and the result is on a HTML layout. Thus, to show the correct and spontaneous result to the users, a proper communication is necessary. That's why data binding is important. There are two types of data binding. One is that one-way data binding and another one is a two-way data binding. One way is the simple way is the communication between your TypeScript or you can say the business logic to view, that is a HTML layout. And another is a two-way data binding, that is communication with the both, just like from your business logic to that your HTML layout and HTML layout to that your business logic. Let's see in a practical. Here is that Angular project. Now open that app.component.ts. So this one is the modules app.component.ts and HTML. Just delete that code and open that ts. Okay, so here I am going to write one data, that is a write one way data binding. It will be string and some dummy data. I am way data binding. Okay, now same data I want to display in the HTML layout. Open the app component.html and we'll use interpolation. This is for that one-way data binding. Just run the application, use ng shell dash open, press enter. Now here you can see that one-way data. It's displaying that your text message. It's because of we have used that interpolation, so it's data is coming, that flow is like that. App component, that is your TypeScript, this is your TypeScript, and this one is the view, that is a HTML layout. Now we'll create one button here. I'll try to change like input type your button. I'll create that, otherwise call the button only button. We'll create that click, this one is the event, click event, change value. Now change value. Okay, call this method into your TypeScript or you can say that business logic, and we'll try to change this value. This is the data binding. Now someone change the value. Okay, save it and save it here. Make a breakpoint, break here. Now check. Here you have that one button also. Once you will going to click, so this value has been changed. So this one is that one-way data binding, because the data is flowing from that your business logic to HTML layout. Now we are going to look at two-way data binding. That two-way data binding is automatically synchronization of a data happens between that your model and the view. So what we'll do that we'll create one text box. Just open that Visual Studio Code, and here that I'm going to write one text box, that is a input type, that is a text box, that value, write text value, Okay, let's check. Now here you can see there is one text box and that button. So what I will do that one, once I am going to change here, this value also should be changed. So that is called that two-way data binding. I'm going to pass that this dot value. We'll create the change value and change value. Now this change value will be right here. So for we have seen that for one-way data binding we have used that interpolation. For two-way data binding you have to use that ngModel. So here just use, instead of this we'll use that banana in the box. So it will be ngModel. So value will be, you can assign the value that is a one-way data binding, add it here. Okay, this one is not actually required. Once you are going to use that ngModel, then you have to import some forms module. Open the app module.ts, just call that import from Angular dot /forms. This one form modules. Import that form modules. Okay. Import it. Okay. Now you can see here. See, once you are going to change anything, just blank. I am two-way data binding. Now you can see that value is changing. Once you try to delete, because you are changing this one, this you are transferring the data from view to TypeScript, and then it's a synchronization happen. Once you can delete this one. First you are transferring data from that view. This one is HTML layout. Then transferring to that app component, that is a TypeScript, and same data, its synchronization is happen from that your business logic, it means TypeScript, to your HTML layout. So this is called two-way data binding. Change. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.